Geotechnical investigation services in Palam Vihar are essential for any construction project to ensure the stability and durability of the structure. These services involve studying the properties and behavior of soil and rock beneath the site, as well as assessing potential hazards such as landslides or ground subsidence. Geotechnical investigations provide valuable information that helps engineers and designers make informed decisions regarding foundation design, slope stability, and excavation planning. Palam Vihar, located in Gurgaon, Haryana, is a rapidly developing area with a high demand for quality infrastructure. As the population increases and urbanization continues, the need for reliable geotechnical investigation services becomes even more crucial. The geotechnical investigations in Palam Vihar cover a wide range of services, including soil testing, groundwater analysis, and geophysical surveys. The first step in any geotechnical investigation is to collect soil samples from various depths at the construction site. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their physical and mechanical properties. This information helps engineers assess the load-bearing capacity of the soil and select appropriate foundation systems. Additionally, groundwater analysis helps identify any potential issues related to water table levels and soil permeability. Geotechnical investigations also involve conducting geophysical surveys to map subsurface conditions. Techniques such as ground-penetrating radar or seismic refraction are used to identify potential hazards like underground utilities, voids, or weak zones. This information is crucial for designing safe excavation plans and avoiding any unforeseen complications during construction. SCON refers to the structural concrete overlay network that is used to enhance the durability and longevity of concrete structures. For any building project, geotechnical investigation services in Palam Vihar are necessary to guarantee the stability and longevity of the structure. These services entail analyzing the characteristics and behavior of the rock and soil that underlie the site and identifying any potential dangers, such as landslides or ground subsidence. When it comes to foundation design, slope stability, and excavation planning, geotechnical investigations offer essential information that engineers and designers can use to make educated decisions. Palam Vihar, a fast-growing neighborhood in Gurgaon, Haryana, has a strong demand for high-quality infrastructure. Reliable geotechnical investigation services are even more essential as urbanization and population growth continue. Numerous services are covered by the geotechnical investigations in Palam Vihar, such as soil testing, groundwater analysis, and geophysical surveys. The initial stage in any geotechnical investigation is to gather soil samples at the construction site from various depths. The physical and mechanical characteristics of these samples are subsequently evaluated